Dear students, today we are going to learn about the poem Self Reliance, 7th standard, first poem. This poem tells you how self reliance helps a person win in life. The poet wants to depend upon herself, even if she fails sometimes. She says she can ask others for their opinion, but ultimately it is her self confidence which helps her to take the royal road to success. Now I will recite the poem. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. But ultimately, it's I who will decide. I will be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I'll take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. Let's discuss the poem. I realize now that I am alone. Here, I means poet. In this picture, you can see that poet was sitting alone and she was realizing that on myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. One day, Poet was feeling alone, and she was realizing that she must know, she must learn how to relate. And she wanted to stand on herself. She wanted to stand on herself, and she was telling that if she would fail, she must continue to try her work. Sometimes she may take others' opinions, but ultimately it's I who will decide. But ultimately, decision is hers. She has to take the decision. I will be the ruler of my dominion. She was telling that she would be the ruler of her dominion. She will be the ruler of her territory. Dominion means her territory. Determining which road I'll take with pride. She has to determine the road, in which road she has to move, and in that she will feel proud. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Whatever the poet will take the decision with that, few people may disagree, but she has to choose the better path for her life. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. So she was telling that though many voices will raise against of my work, then also my destiny I have to decide. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. Truly, she is telling that she should learn how she will begin her work, how she will stand alone, and how she will win in her life. From this, we learn that we should take a right decision in our life. We should try to win in our life. Sometimes, if we will fail, we should not stop ourselves. We must try. We must continue our effort. Then, definitely, we can win in our life. Then, new words. What are the new words here? Relay. Relay means trust or have faith. In the picture, you can see that this is the hand of an old person and this is the doctor. Here, the doctor is keeping her hand on the hands of the old man. And we can say that old man has trust or have faith on the doctor. Dominion. Dominion means territory with one ruler. Determine means decide. Path means route. Abuse means unkind, cruel words. In this poem, the word abuse is used as noun. Destiny. Destiny means fate. These are the word meanings. Let's discuss about the questions and answers comprehension. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. Question number 1. Who is speaker in the poem? As you know that Kathleen Delicato is the poet of the speaker of the poem. The poet Kathleen Delicate herself is the speaker in the poem. Who is alone in the poem? The poet is alone in the poem. What does the speaker decide to do if she fails? Speaker decided to try continuously though she fails until she succeeds. Who is the ruler of the speaker's kingdom? Speaker herself is the ruler of her kingdom. Question number 5. How can the speaker convert her choices into a victory? Speaker converts her choice into victory by being true to herself, which taught her to stand alone with the self-confidence which helps her to take the royal road to success. Answer the following question in a paragraph each. The second main you have to write in a paragraph. Question number 1. Which line of the poem do you like and why? Answer. If I fail, I must continue to try. I like this line in the poem the most because this is the line which builds up self-confidence, self-respect, self-reliance, determination, etc. Makes a person to last the life easily and boldly until he or she succeeds. As a proverb says, try until you succeed. Since failure is a stepping stone to success, a person should not get depressed or let the work go fearing about the failure. Failure and success are the two faces of same coin. Everybody has to face both. Hard work with confidence and self-reliance definitely leads us to success. Question number 2. Ask your partner what is self respect, self confidence, self reliance. Self respect. Self respect for oneself or self respecting is the meaning of self respect. Self respect can be gained only when we should never do in secret what we should be ashamed of doing in the presence of our most valued friends. Self confidence. There are many people who have real talent in different lines and yet never accomplish anything because they are afraid to make the first venture, and in this way, good and useful things are lost to the world. A reasonable amount of confidence in one's own power is necessary for success. Self reliance. Self reliance means relying upon ourselves or independently taking up the decisions. Decisions taken by others about our life may go wrong. Still, the decisions given by others are to be scrutinized by ourselves again. So, it is will be better to rely on ourselves. Question number 3. How can you show to others that you have these qualities? Give some examples. Write down what you said. Success is the only thing from which answer we can show to others that we have all these qualities. For example, whenever I got a chance to participate in any of the extracurricular activities, without any hesitation, I participated, which showed my self confidence. Question number 4. According to the poet, what should we do to win in life? Answer. According to poet, one has to realize that he or she is alone and learn to rely on themselves and begin to stand on our own. We should not bother about criticism of others and choose a better path to success. To win, we have to trust ourselves, which help us to take the royal road of success. Choose the correct answer. These are the multiple choice questions. Ruler of speaker's kingdom is poet, unknown person, lonely person. Now, answer is poet. Question number 2. Speaker each realizes is alone, literary alone, lost somebody, all. Answer is literally alone. Question number 3. It's up to dash to make his destiny. Me, others, him, none. Answer is him. If speaker fails in her work, she dash to win. Must continue trying. Ask others for their opinion. Fails none. Answer is must continue trying. This is for writing skill. Discuss this newspaper headline with your teacher. Add to each statement one or two sentences of your own. Some points we have collected. Paper distributed. Prerna gets the first rank in PU exam. Prerna studying in IIP UC. She on for her family and herself. To continue her studies and has secured first rank in PU exam, she is the role model for all students. All women crew to fly Air India flights. And all women crew took Sunita Williams on and to Air India flight. See, Indian sailor all set to circumnavigate the globe. Indian sailors have explored a new sea route to circumnavigate the globe. D. Arunima, first Indian amputee to scale Everest. Arunima, through her self reliance and determination, successfully scaled Mount Everest. This is about the poet Kathleen Delicato. Kathleen Delicato, born in Florida, USA, her passion is writing sonnets. She planned to publish a book of them to be titled Song of Buddha. She had been practicing Buddhism for 24 years, and it is the essence of all her writing. She has published some of her poems and articles, local newspapers, the World Tribune, a Buddhist newspaper, and a book called Heart of the South, a compilation of women writer. Famous poem published are Rosa Parks, Go to the Back, The Mountain Dragon, Slayer, etc. Self-reliance poem summary. Dear student, summary is most important in each and every poem. This poem self-reliance is for memorization also. So you all need to memorize the poem as well as you have to the summary also. The poem is a lesson for all those who feel alone or literally alone and teaches to create self confidence, self reliance. The poet, though she was surrounded by relatives, society, friends, etc., she realizes loneliness. To take up any decision, she learned not to depend on others, only to depend confidently on herself. She has started to take up own decisions, though she may fail initially. She can ask others' opinion for her progress, but still she is the one who ultimately decides as she is the sole ruler of her own kingdom. Being the master of her dominion, the poet with great determination chooses her path with the pride, neglecting others' disagreements, with her choices as though they are the only people who can advise her to take up the better path. When the poet neglected others' opinion, the people began to abuse with small words. But poet made up her mind that was her own life, and ultimately she is only one to make her destiny. The only thing in life she trusted upon is being true to herself, which teaches her to stand alone and also to win through her self confidence. This is all about the summary of the poem Self Reliance. Next day, I will come with a new lesson. Thank you.